What is progressive training? First, you need to cultivate the attitude that treats yourself and others equally. This is called making yourself equal to others. Just like you wish for happiness, all beings equally wish for happiness. And just like you do not want to suffer, all beings equally do not want to suffer. In this regard, there's no difference between others and you. Therefore, you should treat others the same as yourself, trying your best to bring them happiness and free them from suffering. Like this, you develop loving kindness and compassion toward others. Second, cultivate the attitude that considers others to be more important than yourself. Like a mother deeply loves her only son who unfortunately suffers from a mental disorder. No matter how the son hurts her, the mother would only be concerned when the son might recover from illness, without harboring any anger or hatred toward his difficult behavior. Like this, you must learn how to develop an altruistic mind toward those who harm you.